Let me show you my absolute favorite scented candle from BYREDO. As a Scandinavian, I am obsessed with this Swedish brand. Both their perfumes and their scented candles been all over every chic Pinterest board and elegant Instagram lately. The sophisticated elegance of these candles are hard to resist. They come in a thick, semi-sheer black glass, and the graphics are minimalistic. Even though they are so simple, they feel extremely luxurious and are heavyweight. I have tried the scents Bibliothèque and Saffron, and BYREDO truly are masters at scents. What I really like about these candles, it's almost like a little fireplace, and the warmth of the fire lights through the semi-sheer black glass. It looks super tasteful and luxurious. If you like full-bodied and high-end scents, BYREDO is definitely the scented candle brand for you. This is beautiful in your living room, bathroom, or it's a perfect gift.